Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see how to work with array. The most common problem we face while working in Excel is that we cannot edit array in Microsoft Excel. So in order to do that, at first I will have to change this table into an array. It is not array right now. I can edit this. For example, here is our value is 4. We can change this into 3, or whatever you can change any of the data inside the table. But if you want to edit array, at first you have to change this into an array. Okay, so in order to make this an array, we have to change the column into row and row into column, which is called transpose sections. Okay, so here we have 13 rows and 5 columns. So now we will change it into 13 columns, 13 columns and 5 rows. Transpose, so we have to click on it. In order to make it an array, we have to click Ctrl Shift and enter. Okay, now it has become array. Now if you want to edit this array, for example, here is 2.4. If you make it 7, then it will not be changed, as it says you cannot change part of an array. So an array cannot be updated or cannot be edited. Okay, so if you want to edit this array, what can we do? At first you have to copy the table you want to edit. Okay, I have copied this. Then open an MS blank document in your PC, then copy this table. Okay, so we have transferred this into Word document. Then again copy this, go to your document, make a new sheet, or you can copy this in the same sheet you want. Okay, so we have copied the same array. Okay, so we have copied this same array here after transferring it into Microsoft Word. So now you can edit this to whatever you want. So you can replace the 7 with 8. Okay, here we have DLQ1, so we can change this to DLQ2. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.